Hey there, Wellness Lab fam. Ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went in? Or maybe you've missed an important deadline because it just slipped your mind? Don't worry, you're not alone. Memory lapses happen to the best of us. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to give your brain a little boost? And it's probably sitting in your spice rack right now. That's right, today we're talking about rosemary. Not just a fragrant herb for your roasted potatoes, but a potential memory powerhouse. A study from the University of Northumbria in the UK suggests that the aroma of rosemary might help you remember important tasks and events. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around as we dive into the science behind this humble herb and uncover how it could turbocharge your memory. Let's get started. Rosemary, or Rosmarinus officinalis if you want to get fancy, has been around for centuries. Ancient Greeks and Romans believed it could improve memory and even wore rosemary wreaths during exams to boost their brain power. Fast forward to today, and science is finally catching up to what our ancestors suspected all along. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about memory itself. Memory isn't just one thing. It's a complex system with different types. There's long-term memory, which stores information for years, and short-term memory, which holds on to things for a few seconds or minutes. But the type of memory rosemary seems to help with is called prospective memory, the ability to remember to do things in the future, like taking your vitamins or sending that email before the deadline. Now, let's talk about the study that put rosemary in the spotlight. Back in 2012, researchers at the University of Northumbria decided to investigate whether the aroma of rosemary could actually improve memory. They gathered a group of volunteers and exposed them to the scent of rosemary essential oil before giving them a series of memory tests. The results? Those who inhaled the rosemary aroma performed significantly better on tasks requiring prospective memory. In other words, they were better at remembering to do things they planned. But how does this work? Well, the secret might lie in a compound called 1,8-cineol, which is found in rosemary. During the study, blood tests reveal that participants exposed to rosemary had higher levels of 1,8-cineol in their plasma. This compound is thought to play a role in the biochemical processes associated with memory. So, in a way, rosemary might be giving your brain a little chemical nudge to help it perform better. But before you start stuffing rosemary up your nose, please don't. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. While these findings are exciting, they're just the beginning. Researchers are quick to point out that more studies are needed, especially to see how rosemary might help populations more prone to memory decline, like older adults. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you're looking for a natural way to give your memory a little boost, it might be worth experimenting with rosemary. Try using a rosemary diffuser in your workspace or adding a few sprigs to your next meal. At the very least, your kitchen will smell amazing. But here's where things get even more interesting. This isn't the first time rosemary has been linked to cognitive benefits. Earlier studies have suggested that it can improve long-term memory and even enhance mathematical reasoning. So it seems this herb is more than just a pretty face. It's a brain-boosting powerhouse. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? Well, that's where the science comes in. While the results are promising, it's important to approach this with a healthy dose of skepticism. After all, rosemary isn't a magic cure-all. But it's certainly a fascinating area of research that could have big implications for how we support brain health in the future. So, what's next? In the second part of this video, we'll dive deeper into the science behind rosemary's memory-boosting effects, explore how you can incorporate it into your daily life, and discuss what future research might reveal. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. But for now, let us know in the comments, have you ever tried using rosemary for its cognitive benefits? Or do you have a favorite rosemary recipe? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more brain-boosting content. We explored how rosemary, yes, the same herb you use to season your chicken, might actually help boost your memory. We talked about the 2012 study from the University of Northumbria, where volunteers exposed to rosemary aroma performed better on memory tasks, thanks to a compound called 1,8-cineol. But now it's time to dig even deeper. Let's start by unpacking the science behind rosemary's memory-boosting effects. As we mentioned earlier, 1,8-cineol is the star player here. This compound isn't just found in rosemary. It's also present in other plants like eucalyptus and bay leaves. But rosemary seems to have a particularly high concentration, which might explain its unique effects on the brain. So, how does 1,8-cineol work its magic? Well, when you inhale rosemary's aroma, the compound enters your bloodstream and eventually makes its way to your brain. Once there, it appears to influence the activity of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that help your brain cells communicate. This could explain why rosemary seems to enhance memory and cognitive performance. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Rosemary doesn't just help with memory, it might also have mood-boosting properties. Some studies suggest that the aroma of rosemary can reduce stress and anxiety, which are notorious for messing with your ability to focus and remember things. So, not only could rosemary help you remember where you left your keys, but it might also make you feel calmer while you're looking for them. Now, let's talk about how you can harness the power of rosemary in your daily life. If you're intrigued by the idea of using rosemary to boost your brain power, there are several easy ways to incorporate it into your routine. First up, aromatherapy. Using a rosemary essential oil diffuser is one of the simplest ways to enjoy its benefits. Just add a few drops of rosemary oil to your diffuser and let the aroma fill your workspace or study area. Not only will it smell amazing, but it might also give your memory a little extra kick. Next, there's cooking. Adding fresh or dried rosemary to your meals is a delicious way to reap its potential benefits. Try sprinkling it on roasted vegetables, mixing it into soups, or even infusing it into olive oil for a flavorful drizzle. Plus, cooking with rosemary is a great excuse to experiment in the kitchen. Bonus points if you remember all your recipes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try making your own rosemary-infused water or tea. Simply steep a few sprigs of fresh rosemary in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. It's a refreshing and aromatic way to stay hydrated while potentially boosting your brain power. Now, before you go full-on rosemary fanatic, it's important to note that moderation is key. While rosemary is generally safe for most people, excessive use of essential oils can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Always dilute essential oils before applying them to your skin, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Speaking of safety, let's address the elephant in the room. Can rosemary really help prevent or treat serious conditions like Alzheimer's disease? While the research is promising, it's still in its early stages. Alzheimer's is a complex condition with no known cure, and rosemary is by no means a replacement for medical treatment. However, it could potentially play a supportive role in maintaining cognitive health as part of a balanced lifestyle. Which brings us to the bigger picture. While rosemary is a fascinating subject, it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to brain health. A healthy diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and mental stimulation are all crucial for keeping your brain in top shape. Think of rosemary as the cherry on top, a little extra boost to complement your overall wellness routine. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer versatility of this humble herb. From ancient Greece to modern science labs, rosemary has been a symbol of memory, healing, and even love. In fact, in some cultures, rosemary is associated with remembrance and is often used in weddings and funerals as a way to honor loved ones. So, whether you're using it to spice up your dinner, freshen up your home, or give your brain a little extra support, rosemary is truly a gift from nature. And who knows? As research continues, we might discover even more ways this remarkable herb can enhance our lives. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned. Rosemary, thanks to its compound 1,8-cineol, has shown potential in boosting memory, particularly prospective memory. While more research is needed, incorporating rosemary into your daily routine, whether through aromatherapy, cooking, or teas, could be a simple and natural way to support your cognitive health. And there you have it, the fascinating story of how rosemary might help turbocharge your memory. From ancient traditions to cutting-edge science, this humble herb continues to surprise us with its potential. So why not give it a try? Whether you're diffusing rosemary oil while you work, adding it to your favorite recipes, or simply enjoying its calming aroma, you might just find that it makes a difference. And hey, even if it doesn't turn you into a memory champion, at least your kitchen will smell amazing. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the science of rosemary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Wellness Lab for more brain-boosting content. And let us know in the comments, how do you use rosemary in your daily life? We'd love to hear your tips and experiences.